Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and after that tap to the sounds and vibration. Just to change ringtone notifications, media alarm or me call volumes, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. Here we can see the default volume button control. So now just by press up or down volume button will change the media. We can switch it also to the ringtone. If you wanna use the silent vibration or ring mode, you can make it here just by select one from these available modes. Let's use the ring one. We can also use the vibration for calls, ring only, and vibrate and increase in ring mode. To switch on our device to silent mode or to mode, we should also use the switcher, and also we can ring in silent mode by use this second switcher here. We can also set here the don't disturb mode to show the player, to hide it when this media session has ended. Also we can change here the ringtones and notification sounds, and on this section in other sound settings we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, the battery reminder sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screenshot, touch vibration, boot ringtone, and ringtone fading sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our ZTE device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.